Massive snowstorm hit Saskatchewan, experienced its first major snowstorm of the season on Monday night, leaving much of the province under snowfall and winter storm alerts as of Tuesday. The combination of heavy wet snow and wind gusts reaching up to 60 kilometers per hour significantly reduced visibility, creating hazardous driving conditions. The RCMP reported numerous storm-related incidents, including a semi-truck jackknifed on a highway near Belle Plaine and a vehicle sliding into a ditch near Fort Qu'Appelle. Environment Canada issued snowfall warnings across central and eastern Saskatchewan, impacting cities such as Saskatoon, Regina, Prince Albert, Melfort, Humboldt, Weyburn, and Yorkton.
Snow gets a little bit deeper here on Hamilton Street.
Forecasts predicted 5 to 15 centimeters of snow accumulation throughout the day, with an additional 2 to 5 centimeters expected overnight as the storm subsides. Quickly accumulating snow may create challenging travel conditions in certain areas, the weather agency cautioned in an official statement. By mid-afternoon, Saskatchewan RCMP had recorded 44 weather-related collisions and incidents, including jackknifed semis and vehicles stranded in ditches. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. The Saskatchewan Highway Hotline noted that snowplows were actively clearing major routes, though many roads remained snow-covered. Travel advisories were issued for several highways, including stretches in the Watrous area and Highway 1 between Balgonie and Fort Qu'Appelle. Environment Canada also highlighted strong northwest winds, gusting between 60 and 80 kilometers per hour, further reducing visibility with blowing snow.
Usual. Alright, nobody's parking here, that's for sure.